Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
I'm going to Africa this year. I've never been to Africa. I heard about the jollof rice. Never had it. I think it's Nigerian. That's the HQ. That's where we're from. So big up the entire Africa. But I also have a song with Davido coming soon.
What?
So look out for that one. That's gonna be crazy.
Nobody know this yet?
What is the best Vybzkartel song of all time?
Oh, it goes, not on left me now. God know it must get better.
Not on left me now.
Oh, I left me for your money, man. I love that song.
You are the cutest, I feel the boss. Love you from the start, no, I broke your heart.
Shimmy, shimmy, shake, one bad piano. When I go low, let me dance for you.
I talk about masicka, pussy is a loading summer hit. You don't know what is a summer hit, you don't know what is a summer song. Let me explain something to you. Panic is the summer song. And that is why you find out on TikTok over 153,000 people reacting to it.
Puta, make sure your visa right, you know. Me try book you for tour. Me tour the show them.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Boom, big up DJ Dreadbeard. One of the baddest reaction YouTuber. Them man they just talk. Them man they teach you things. So make sure say you tune in and you subscribe so you can learn something. You see me?
Yo, you know what I say? Every time when I say quick and fast, me end up got 20 minutes same way. The video here is a quick and fast one, you see me? Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe me. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm going to have a shout out the Smith family who followed you with $5 upon the last video. Yeah man, people, remember, liking the video and sharing the video is also a form of support. Alright, so them topic here we are going to talk about. Yeah man, so big news for the African them and especially the Gaza fans them in Africa. So Vybzkartel make them know say, yo, the first stop is Nigeria. And them have a collab with the African artist Davido. Tommylee is a masicka copy him flow. So we are going to listen to the song where masicka copy from Tommylee and tell me if I reach, Tommylee I reach, or if I copy him copy. Cartel weekly board party, we are going to talk about that. Shensi and name our favorite Vybzkartel song. My favorite Vybzkartel song I Bet Me Money. Hold me like you never see me again. Bet me money, you see me? MC Nuffy a troll footer hype, we are going to play MC Nuffy a troll footer hype in at the end of the video. And Gaza HQ clap back at some people where I say Masicka Bossy at the song of the summer, you see me? And Vybzkartel make Alkaline sell out the Barclays before Sean Paul. Alright, so which part if we start? You know, we'll start with the Tommylee first.
What is the best Vybzkartel song of all time?
Yeah, but before we start with the Tommylee, drop in the comment which one are your favorite Vybzkartel of all time. And we know Vybzkartel have one heap of song and one heap of favorites. But if you have to choose one, no matter how hard it is, because even though me say Bet Me Money are my favorite, it's still hard, you know. Yeah, because you have another time when one next song, me love it over Bet Me Money, but of all time, I the song there, and the next one is say, Nuff girl me touch, yo, you see me? Yo, but me not add no more song in it, cause if me add no more song, then me I go add the next song, and then you go hear me have 100 song, or one song. Like how Shensi and name are one song, yeah, one song. Yo, and you see, if you look on your screen, you notice Shensi link up with all of the content creator them. I only Shensi and Vybzkartel alone me see do that, you know. Remember, everywhere Vybzkartel go, if him go on small island, him link up with the content creator in the small island there. Him link up with the local creator them, everywhere him go. What do you see him on White Yard apart, him on Trabas apart. You see me? So, a Vybzkartel and Shensi alone me see I utilize social media the right way.
Bossy, me know if you hold me when me no play about it.
I wanna know them bad mind with the chain from we neck. When you see cars you try well a breath.
Yeah man, so Tommylee made the post there on him Instagram and him insinuate say yo, Masicka Bossy and a Masicka style. So we there and I talk about say Masicka fine style and fine new flow. Tommylee said no, I'm my style, Tom and Jerry. And my style, him a copy same way. Him still not have him own flow. You see me, so every credit one I give, I have to take it back. Him still... Yo, all the dance, Tommylee is a Masicka thief, you know. Remember said Tommylee have a dancer named Goosebumps. Down to me even see it, I never recognize a Goosebumps Masicka do. Cause me I say, yo, Masicka have him little dance now, in little Masicka rock. A Goosebumps. Leave it in the comment if you don't feel like say you hear the similarities. You see me hear it still, but you know how people stay. People are going to say them not hear it. People are going to say I reach my reach. But leave in the comment if you don't hear the similarities, if I copy. Because remember say at this point we know say Masicka is known for copy flow too, you know. Remember in the war, him copy a bag of flow too, you know. Remember good, you know. So, you know, far-fetched. Remember him copy Devin the Doctor. Remember him copy Vybzkartel. And I think him copy the same tommylee too. So Masicka is known for copy when, I don't remember the exact song, but when tommylee say property tax come out here flow, the next song when Masicka did forward with, him did sound like him find one new flow, you know, but we get to find out say somebody him copy again, you know. You see me? I think a tommylee him copy. So it's known for Masicka copy, so it no far-fetched. So leave it in the comment section. What you wanna think? If you wanna think him copy it word for word, if you wanna think him copy it flow by flow.
I'm going to Africa this year. I've never been to Africa. I heard about the jollof rice, never had it. I think it's Nigerian. That's the HQ. That's where we're from. So big up the entire Africa. But I also have a song with Davido coming soon.
What?
So look out for that one. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, man. So Vybzkartel is about to enter Africa with a fresh banger. So this African tour, Vybzkartel and Davido song probably be a anthem. You don't know so Vybzkartel calculated. You see me? So him did have a song with Shatta Wally and Davido and you see me? Something were fresh. You know so Vybzkartel no have to do no more song, right? Especially when him a go to Africa. Him no need nothing new. But you know Vybzkartel calculated. So this song with Davido, yeah man, it's about to blow Africa up. And him also mentioned say a Nigeria. So people, African brothers and sisters we are listening to this, please nobody make them scam you again. Nobody make the Nairobi gossip on the big platform them fool you again. Make sure so you subscribe if you don't hear it over here so. If you don't hear it on Vybzkartel platform, Vybzkartel TikTok, Vybzkartel Instagram, it is not true. So we don't want to see no fake flyers are going in Nigeria now. You see me? Because what they are Kenya, I scam the people, them Nairobi gossip and Kenya gossip. So we don't want to see no scamming go on in Nigeria. Gaza nation in Africa, remember this, you know. Probably if you get scam, then you not can afford to go to the actual Vybzkartel concert. You see me? And remember, no real Gaza person I go scam no car. Real Gaza person in Africa I go want to go at the real concert. So just careful of the scammers them. Remember the scamming capital on there, you know. So just make sure say you're patient and subscribe to this channel and tell a friend to tell a friend say subscribe to this channel over here so we can cover everything Africa. Yo, you don't notice every weekend Vybzkartel have a boat party, a yacht party, whatever party you want to call it. You see me? Yo, me say from Masicka talk about this ship, you know, Vybzkartel dip on the water, you know, pan a vessel, you know. You see me? Whether a ship or a boat or a yacht, you know. But here me say, me need you to investigate the yacht, you know, and see if I the same yacht. You see if I the same yacht Vybzkartel dip on every weekend. You know say a female yacht, right? Yeah, and for a man we have 2 Rolls Royce and 1 bag of vehicle. You know say that not even far-fetched, neither. I just him probably not say it or him not say it yet. You see me? Yeah, I remember say I think Buju Banton have a yacht, you know. So yacht, so artists do own yacht. You see me? Not a lot of artists, but artists do own yacht. You see me? But check the jacuzzi, check the flooring and see if I the same yacht car. Anyway, the same yacht people we know say. You see me? Yeah man, Vybzkartel, a female that way him go out pan. Him and him family and him and him friends them go party every weekend. You see me? Yeah man, so the next topic where am my topic, Vybzkartel make Alkaline sell out the Bartleys before Sean Paul. Remember when they have the argument there couple months ago when we are talking about who are the king, who are the goat and some man a show up Sean Paul and we make them know say well Sean Paul do a festival, you know. Sean Paul never sold out the Bartleys by himself, you know, or do a arena tour, you know. So the way all Vybzkartel powerful, bro, the man make him ups. I sell out the Bartleys. So Vybzkartel technically sell out the Bartleys 4 times, you know, bro. 3-peat plus he make Alkaline sell it out, you know. Me no argument with no man. Me just talk about it in the last video. say at the rivalry, the JLP, PMP kind of mentality where Jamaican have, it make Alkaline could have sell out the Bartleys. You see me? Yeah, me over here, so you over there, so you know more than me. When Andrew Owens sink the country at the best PM at 1 PM, the mentality that Jamaica have, it could have make Alkaline sell out the Bartleys. So me don't talk about that in the last video. If you don't watch it yet, make sure you watch the last video. You see me? So yeah man, see it there? Sean Paul never sold out the Bartleys, and Alkaline as a little artist, him no sell gold. I know him not have an international billboard, the only billboard him have a reggae billboard. Him no sell gold. Alkaline basically is just a regular artist and him sold out the Bartleys. Why? Because him have the Vybzkartel rivalry. You see me? And we not go over that again, but yeah man, I just something way forward to me. While me did that do the next video, I may say, you know what? Me not crowd up the next video, me I go say it in the video, yeah. You see me? Yeah, Vybzkartel is so powerful, dog, that he make him rival. And him rival not upon him level, none at all. Him rival not upon Sean Paul level. Him rival not upon Shaggy level. Him rival not upon Vybzkartel level. But him rival could have sold out Bartley. You don't think say Bartley easy if he sold out? You don't see how Vybzkartel powerful? That's the people who hate him a fair shove out. I wonder if you don't understand how powerful that is, bro. Like, me understand Irish and Chin, them a say, yo, them reason things out of the box, but inside of the box, man, don't fool yourself, Irish and Chin. You're just a typical man. Typical reason, your reason. Because flip the coin, you know. Me tell you all the while, no, say, flip the coin, and you hear them attack the right thing. The same Irish and Chin where did that complain, say, remember, you know, the same Irish and Chin this way rise to fame on social media, you know. How him rise to fame? I talk about say Vybzkartel for the bands. See, Alkaline that just a work without bands and you praise and worship him. You see me? So all I know are just agenda, bro. Yeah, but flip the coin and you hear him attack the right thing. I say, yo, Alkaline could never have done this if his name wasn't be calling up with Vybzkartel. Just flip the script, bro. Catch him in our next universe. Yo, and watch this before me go to the next topic. The same Sean Paul where you watch on your screen now. At the Zika Dome, him there, you know. First time him a sold out the Zika Dome by himself, you know. After Vybzkartel. All of them people are do arenas where Vybzkartel do last year. A Vybzkartel influence him. Me nah go say him have no rivalry with Vybzkartel and that's why people them come out for him. No. A the confidence where Vybzkartel give him. Just like how Vybzkartel would have give CJ Milan the confidence for book Alkaline. Yeah, so Sean Paul get the confidence for say, yo, if Vybzkartel can do it, me can do it too. Tell Alkaline to go over the Zika Dome now because no rivalry no over the Zika Dome, you know. The France people them and the Amsterdam people them. This is kind of a part few for the video when me drop before this. France no have no rivalry, no dieted and no diaspora people we are going to say, yo, we are going to go out for Alkaline because we don't like Vybzkartel and we don't want Alkaline flop. That no day in France. So tell Alkaline to go over Zika Dome with Sean Paul there because him do the Bartleys where Sean Paul no do, but Sean Paul do the Zika Dome where Alkaline no do. So you know say everything does revolve around Vybzkartel, bro. But anyway, yo, we are gonna hear where Gaza HQ I say. You see me, because it look like I say some man there over TikTok. I say Masicka Bossy are the song of the summer already, you see me? So Gaza HQ clap back and I make them know what is the ingredients to make your song be song of the summer.
Panic of the summer song, man. You see, if a better song drop by now and summer, we can consider that. But you see, at this very moment, Panic is the summer song. Me and some people, J Progress and the rest of people, they want to know about music. I talk about masicka, Bossy is a loading summer hit. You don't know what is a summer hit. You don't know what is a summer song. Let me explain something to you. A summer song is based on three things. You have to put them three things that in the song. So yes, when you listen to the song, those three things stand out. Girls, adventure, and outdoor fun. Panic is all about girls looking good, going outside, enjoying themselves. Masicka song is about a man telling you he might live a hype lifestyle. You see the difference? Panic is the summer song. And that is why you find out on TikTok over 153,000 people reacting to it. Panic is the summer song.
Yo, the name the way I'm called J Progress. You know long me no hear the name there. I run cross film content. Yeah, but Panic, over 100,000 people are react to Panic, bro. Them something that I use and gauge when I sing it also. Yes, and 1 and 2 people may go see I do some little challenge to Alkaline song and Masicka song. But some of them people are the same rivalry them, you know. Them just force to do it. But naturally, yeah, you see if I do it naturally, then people we are mutual fans and casual fans and fans alike. Them are going to do the challenge. Them are going to do the Panic challenge. So this way you go see it go over 100,000. All some people not even know Vybzkartel to that. Some white people, some other people, and them just love the song. And them people are the reason why it got 100,000. It naturally. Those are natural reactions. Not some people where I try force one challenge and see if it would catch. Like when I see them I do to one of the Alkaline song, I don't remember which song, but I one of the girl song them on the album. You see some 1 and 2 reaction, but those are just fans. I try something to make it catch. Panic, 100,000 people, bro. Certified it, bro. Get it, get where, run it, run way. Yeah, but Nuffy a troll footer hype. Very hilarious interaction with Nuffy a troll footer hype. I say footer hype can't left the country. You see me? And MC Nuffy I try book him. Pan one of him show them. Make you watch and look part of it.
Two of the event them in England. You can't fly? Cause me can't fly now last time I check out. Never visa, you know. But guess what now? You worry about me in America and the business I deal with and I take care of. But me know you can't come to Jamaica and guess what? From where your boss say you want to come to Jamaica and you're tired, you know. You're tired and say you want to come to Jamaica, you know. Listen, me a fly and you not fly and you worry about me. I can tell you this, footer. You cry about Buju Banton. Every day you come on, you talk about cartel. I know me can't believe, you know, you as a selector, big man like you. When you forward and I cry about cartel and I talk about cartel, every day for as a big man and a big selector. I'll feel a woman in your yard, she's a shame, you know. As a matter of fact, I don't think you got no woman in your yard, cause so where you go fall out, you know? The animals and go fall out. I really want to go up to you. I don't want to go up to you. But hear me I say. I want to give two and show them. I'm in UK right now. I'm in Airbnb. I want to give two and show them. Here, your problem is with everybody will come out. Want to do rest of man them when I make no money. Why you know about them? Your problem with everybody. When I time to see you run with Beanie Man and go on with yourself and Ray, you have to Beanie I King. Then you come back and say Yellow I King. And then you're confused. You don't know what to do. See, me think you don't have to go with Beanie. To the way I thought, I think you don't have to with Beanie, but we know Beanie I don't eat that, you know. I've been in there and carry up and down with him. I'm sure you have a problem with Buju now call if you come select. Footer, your day is done, you're done.
Yo, me never know say Footer and the Marley them fall out. Yo, if you don't see no news or which part the source, which part not forget that from, send it to me please. DJ.dreadbeard on Instagram. You see me, cause that's something to talk about, you know, the Marley them that way. That's our next set of people him a hypocrite with. If them do nothing, him a ignore it, now come out and talk about it, you see me? Yeah man, but people, remember me say quick and fast and it look like it still want enter the 20 minutes mark where I run from, you see me? Yeah, but if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And you see the video up on the screen. This is an update for the video I made a couple hours ago. So click on the video up on the screen if you don't watch it yet. I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.